Birshi Fulani Bayara communities have become a major flashpoint of series of attacks by unknown gunmen as well as kidnapping for ransom. The Birshi Fulani community this morning took their anger to the major highway to protest against insecurity being witnessed in the area. This eyewitness, while speaking with EIT News, said just yesterday night, suspected kidnappers stormed the area and forcefully abducted a pregnant woman in this house.
It's around 1:29 a.m. The husband called my line that the wife, she's on danger. We should go and help the wife. I now wake my husband that the mommy Abdulsalam, she's on danger. The thief enter her house. I now call my brother.
What baffles me, she is a woman, and pregnant woman for that matter. She's pregnant. She left, they took her and left her 3 kids. We are not security guaranteed in this environment. That is the truth. After, when everything has calmed down, before security will start coming, it's very bad, seriously.
Really what happened yesterday was around 11 to 11:30 in the night. Those kidnappers just came and kidnapped this woman recently. But the funny thing is, almost a week, they came and killed one of our neighbor, and they persist to Sakani. They still kidnap one person, and they kill one person still. After 3 days, they still come back and do that in the same thing, and this is the 4th one they did. That's why we are here to make our complaint to our governor.
Police Commissioner Sylvester Alabi confirmed the incident to journalists at the command, saying the police is on top of the situation.
Police will collaborate with them and ensure that the culprit is found and arrested, while the person kidnapped will be rescued. Kidnapping case is not a new phenomenon to us. I have to be very frank about that. It's a national problem. And here we have evolved a lot of strategy in making sure that it's reduced to the barest minimum.
It could be recalled that on 4th of September, suspected gunmen killed a staff of Federal Polytechnic in the same community about 150 meters away from the house where this woman was abducted.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.